Managing social media shouldn't take your entire day. With SocialBee, you can create, schedule, publish, analyze, engage, and collaborate, all from one simple, powerful dashboard. If you're juggling multiple platforms, opening endless tabs, or manually posting every day, there's a better way. SocialBee lets you plan and schedule content in advance so your accounts stay active, even when you're busy or taking a break. With AI-powered tools, you can generate captions, images, and personalized content plans in seconds. Create stunning visuals effortlessly with Canva, Unsplash, and Giphy integrations built right into SocialBee. Organize your content in structured folders, tailor posts to each platform automatically, and experiment with images, videos, carousels, stories, and reels. Working with a team? Reply to comments and messages, manage approvals, share feedback, and collaborate seamlessly, all in one place. Track performance with powerful analytics, export branded reports, and get best time posting suggestions to boost engagement. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, SocialBee has plans for every stage, from Bootstrap and Accelerate all the way to pro and agency-level packages with up to 150 social profiles. Post to Facebook, Instagram, Threads, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Google Business Profile, and more, all from one place. Stop wasting hours switching between apps. Let SocialBee automate the tough parts so you can focus on growing your brand. Try SocialBee today and take control of your social media. Visit techdomains.net to get started for just $24 a month.